Hello to everyone. Came here with new video. I have received another tools. Let's unbox them and see what is inside. First of all, this came to me from Germany. And you can see, this is a combination wrench. Let's take it out and see how type of wrench it is. This is a Belzer 17MM made in Germany combination wrench, which is 17 millimeters in size. Here you can see all the markings. A number 111, and here you can see itself the wrench, how type and construction test, and how it is machined, both ends, open end and the box end too. Now I will do some little comparison with US made Napa wrench and also Italian made better wrench. I have to buy a 17 millimeter wrench because in my better wrench collection I had 17 millimeter wrench, but as you can see it has some owner marks to say. When this wrench came to me it was look like this, and let's agree that this is not the type the wrench must look, and because of it I have to buy the new wrench. The Napa wrench is good, but I also wanted to have some quality 17 millimeter wrench, and that's why I have to order this Belzer from Germany. So to compare it with Napa wrench, firstly you can see that the Napa one is longer. Here you can see, and American wrench is longer. This is the only plus which this wrench has against the Belzer. Belzer is machined better, it looks like better, the surface of Belzer is better, Belzer is thinner, Belzer is lighter, and it sits on your head better than the Napa one. Here you can see how thinner is the Belzer wrench, and the one to mention is that this Belzer wrench is machined strangely when the open end, the box end looks different from the Napa. Here you can see what I mean. The offset is different, and you can see on the picture what I mean. But as I already mentioned, it is a very good wrench, and I think this is a good addition to my combination wrenches collection. And other tool that I have got from USA, very good tool, 5 stars from the seller, or to the seller from me. This is a 3/8 torque wrench. Here you can see it. Also this is used, but it looks like that it is new. This is Proto Blackhawk wrench. As I was able to find in online, this is US made combination wrench. I have some torque wrenches. This is torque wrench. I have some torque wrenches, but they are half inch and quarter inch. I have no 3/8, and from today I have this wrench. Here you can see the markings in Newton meters, which starts from 3.61 and ends on 29 point. And here also is the pounds markings. Here is how wrench works. You must put it down and adjust, screw this wrench on the Newton meters you want. So very pleased with this wrench, and also I think that it is a good addition to my tools collection. You know, many fasteners on my car, on my Mercedes. If you work on under the engine bay, you must have simply 3/8 torque wrench. Many fasteners must be torqued on the Newton meters, which only will destinated if you have the torque wrench on 3/8. So guys, this is another video about tools I have got for my boy. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.